In Lesson 2, we're going to focus on the differences between the server core operating system and Windows Server with desktop experience. Server core is a command line only operating system, so there's no graphical interface, there's no icons, no desktop icons, start menu, none of those exist. Desktop experience is more like a Windows 7 or Windows 10 operating system. You will have a graphical user interface, or we call it a GUI or GUI. You will have that with the desktop experience. So we'll look at the differences between those and how to deploy both of those. We'll actually install a server core, then we'll go through the post-installation configuration, which has to be done through the command prompt, PowerShell, or through this menu-driven system built into the server core. And we'll also look at installing features and this sconfig. That's our menu-driven system that we will use to configure the server core operating system. So this is a very interesting lesson and extremely useful in the real world.